how to automatically achieve your stories on Facebook. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy, below, you can see here the audience and visibility section. Here you can see the stories. Okay, you can tap the stories. In stories, you can see the achieving your stories, and achieving your stories is off. So if you want to automatically achieve your stories on Facebook, okay, you'll have to do switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, automatically achieve photos and video after they disappear from story. Only you can see your story achieved. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully automatically achieved your stories on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.